Many business owners assume that a valuation is only necessary when they are preparing to sell their company. In reality, there are many situations throughout the life of a business where understanding its fair market value is essential. A professional business valuation provides an independent assessment of what a company is worth based on financial performance, market conditions, and industry dynamics. This information supports better decision-making and helps owners navigate important transitions with clarity and confidence. At Aspen Valuations, we work with Canadian business owners and advisors to provide defensible valuations that support transactions, tax planning, and long-term strategic planning. One of the most common reasons to obtain a valuation is when preparing to sell a business. Before entering negotiations with potential buyers, owners benefit from understanding the fair market value of their company. Without a clear valuation, sellers may risk setting an unrealistic price. Overpricing can discourage potential buyers, while underpricing can leave significant value on the table. A professional valuation helps establish realistic expectations and provides a credible foundation for negotiations. It also helps identify key value drivers that buyers will examine during due diligence. Many Canadian businesses are family-owned or closely held. When ownership is transferred to the next generation or to key employees, determining the value of the business becomes essential. A valuation supports fair and transparent transactions among family members, partners, or shareholders. It also helps reduce potential conflicts by providing an independent reference point. Succession planning often involves long-term financial and tax considerations, making valuation an important part of the planning process. Businesses seeking financing or external investment may also require a valuation. Lenders and investors want to understand the financial strength and risk profile of the company before committing capital. A valuation provides insight into the company's earnings potential, financial stability, and market position. This information helps lenders assess credit risk and allows investors to evaluate potential returns. For owners, a valuation also helps determine how much equity may be required when raising capital. Valuations are often needed when shareholders or partners are separating or restructuring ownership. In these situations, determining fair market value ensures that transactions are conducted fairly. A professional valuation provides an objective analysis that can help resolve disagreements and support transparent negotiations among parties. Because ownership disputes can be sensitive, an independent valuation can provide clarity and help maintain professional relationships. Valuations are frequently required for tax-related purposes. Situations such as estate planning, gifting shares to family members, corporate reorganizations, or shareholder relocations may require accurate reporting of business value. A defensible valuation helps ensure that tax planning strategies are supported by reasonable assumptions and market evidence. This reduces the risk of disputes or reassessments if values are reviewed by tax authorities. Even when no transaction is imminent, a valuation can provide valuable insight into the health and performance of a business. Understanding how the market would assess your company today can highlight opportunities for improvement. Owners may identify areas such as customer diversification, operational efficiency, or revenue stability that could enhance enterprise value over time. Regular valuation updates can also help track progress as the business grows. Obtaining a valuation early allows business owners to address potential issues before they become obstacles. Waiting until a transaction is already underway may limit the ability to make strategic improvements. By understanding the drivers of value in advance, owners can strengthen their position and approach major decisions with greater confidence. Business valuation is an important tool that supports decision-making throughout the life cycle of a company, whether preparing for a sale, planning succession, raising capital, or addressing tax matters. Understanding the value of your business provides clarity and strategic insight. Aspen Valuations provides independent valuations that help Canadian business owners make informed decisions and plan confidently for the future.